one reason, many a time, why tests, problems, difficulties, trials, they come on people is that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to guide us back to Him. एक वजह ये भी होती है that the person or people or a nation is very, very happy what they have got. They are too much indulged in their blessings that they forgot the blesser, the one who blessed. And it's dangerous for them. They are going away, away, away. So Allah Jalla Majduhu sends a trial, a test, a problem, a difficulty to guide people back. लेकिन हमें तो यही बताया, this is that one of the reason, एक वजह जो मुसीबतें परेशानियां आती हैं इस वजह से कि बंदे को अल्लाह पाक वापस बुला रहा होता है। अब देखें ना, जहाँ कुरान मजीद में जहाँ ये बयान किया गया है, where it's mentioned about मुसीबा, وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَنفُسِ, that you will be tested with different things, from fear, from actually loss of wealth, health, loss of money, people, health, etc., etc., and other things. Allah, to what at the end, what was said, that the righteous people, what they do is they say, Inna lillah, we belong to Allah. It was Allah's anyway before, it was none. When was it mine, this thing? ये मेरी थी ही कब? मैं आपकी गाड़ी बारो कर लूं. If I borrow a car from you and after 10 days you say give it me back, I should be sad or I should be thankful? I should be complaining about you and be unhappy with you, or we should be thankful that you let me borrow it for 10 days for free. Free bhi ho, not charging anything. But yes, that person who thinks, I have borrowed a car from you and I then came to this conclusion after 2-3 days, it is mine, then I will actually be in problem. When you will ask, I will say, oh, it is mine. I will be sad.